In 2008, a 23-year-old biology graduate named Sarah made a seemingly small choice without consulting anyone. She spent her last $500 on a microscope instead of rent. This unsupported decision would cascade into a revolution in portable lab technology, proving how solitary choices can alter trajectories. Sarah's peers mocked her priorities when she became homeless shortly after. "You'll die penniless," warned her professor. Yet her notebooks reveal a deeper truth. She'd identified a flaw in rural disease testing that required compact equipment, an insight others dismissed. Living in her car, Sarah struggled to prototype her design. Without lab access, she repurposed toy lenses and Arduino kits. A critical breakthrough came when she realized plastic lenses could refract light sufficiently, a heresy in optical science that became her key innovation. When Sarah tested her prototype during a cholera outbreak in Haiti, it detected pathogens 12 hours faster than standard equipment. Doctors initially scoffed at her toy tool until it processed 200 samples in one day, proving her unsupported theory had merit. Investors demanded Sarah abandon her plastic lens approach for industry-standard glass. Refusing led to 2 years of rejection until a WHO report revealed her design's superiority in humid climates. Her stubbornness became her competitive edge. During the 2014 Ebola crisis, Sarah's devices reached remote villages months before traditional labs. Her plastic lenses, once mocked, proved resistant to humidity-induced fogging, saving thousands. The very feature critics called cheap became life-saving. By 2018, Sarah's company had decentralized diagnostic testing across 37 countries. Her initial $500 gamble spawned an industry trend toward disposable components, reducing lab waste by 70%. The wrong choice became the new standard. At a 2020 TED Talk, Sarah's former professor publicly apologized. Yet she revealed the uncomfortable truth. Had she sought approval initially, she'd have conformed to conventional wisdom. Her lack of support became her innovation's catalyst. Today, Sarah's unsupported choice has reshaped global health infrastructure. 83% of field clinics use her technology, proving that paradigm shifts often begin with lone individuals willing to act without consensus, if they persist through the valley of doubt. Every revolutionary idea initially looks like recklessness. Sarah's story invites us to reconsider what obviously wrong choice might you need to make. The microscope in your life could be waiting, not for consensus, but for your conviction to test its lenses against reality.